Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that every beginner in the financial world faces: trading or investing. Which is best for you? If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more insightful content. Let's get started. So, what's the difference between trading and investing? While both involve buying and selling financial assets, their approaches, timeframes, and risks are quite different. The world of finance can be intimidating, but fear not. Today we are going to break it down for you. Let's understand. First up, trading. Trading is all about short-term gains. Traders actively buy and sell stocks, commodities, currencies, or other assets, aiming to make profits from short-term market fluctuations. They might hold positions for days, hours, or even minutes. It's fast-paced and can be quite exciting, but it also requires a lot of time, knowledge, and a willingness to take risks. Traders rely heavily on technical analysis, looking at price charts and market trends to make decisions. They often use tools like moving averages, volume indicators, and other chart patterns. The goal? Buy low, sell high, and do it quickly. Now, let's talk about investing. On the other hand, investing focuses on buying assets to hold them for the long term to generate wealth over time. Investing is a long-term strategy. Investors buy assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate to hold them for years, even decades. The focus here is on gradual growth and compounding returns over time. Think of it as planting a tree and letting it grow. Investors typically look at fundamental analysis. This involves evaluating a company's financial health, performance, management, and growth potential. They aim to buy undervalued assets and hold on to them, benefiting from dividends, interest, or capital appreciation over the long haul. One key difference between trading and investing is the level of risk involved. Trading can be highly speculative and volatile, leading to quick gains or losses. Investing, on the other hand, tends to be more stable and less risky over the long term. Another important factor to consider is the time commitment. Trading requires constant monitoring of the markets and quick decision-making. It can be a full-time job in itself. Investing, on the other hand, allows for a more passive approach, with decisions made over a longer period. When it comes to beginner-friendly options, investing is often the recommended starting point. It provides a more stable and predictable way to grow your wealth without the stress of constant market fluctuations. The key is to focus on long-term value and not get caught up in short-term gains. However, trading can also be appealing to beginners looking for faster returns. Just remember that it comes with a higher risk and a steep learning curve. It's essential to educate yourself thoroughly and start with small amounts to minimize potential losses. So, which is best for beginners? It depends on your personality, goals, and how much time you're willing to dedicate. Which is best? If you enjoy the thrill of quick trades, grasp market dynamics well, and are willing to accept higher risks, trading might be for you. But remember, it's not for the faint-hearted. You must stay informed, be disciplined, and carefully manage your risks. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more hands-off approach and are patient enough to let your investments grow over time, investing could be the way to go. It's generally considered safer, especially if you diversify your portfolio and stay informed about your investments. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Some people even do a mix of both. The key is to start with what you're comfortable with and keep learning as you go. Both trading and investing have their pros and cons, and the best choice for beginners ultimately depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time commitment. Whether you decide to trade or invest, the key is to start small, stay informed, and be patient. So, what do you think? Are you more inclined towards trading or investing as a beginner? And remember, the journey to financial success starts with the first step. Stay informed, stay focused, and happy investing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on trading, investing, and personal finance. And let us know in the comments below. Are you more interested in trading or investing? Until next time, happy investing. Thanks for watching.